Understanding Reflections, Worksheet 18, question number 3. Renee created the following 4 figures to use as designs on wallpaper. Select the designs that shows a reflection over the dashed line. Circle all that apply. So we're going to circle 2. So 2 of these show reflection and 2 do not. Before we do that, you do not have to draw this on your paper. I just want you to follow along. If you are reflecting an object over a line, so this dotted line is my line of reflection. If I have an object that comes in at an angle like this, okay, it's going to go out at the same angle. It's got to be a mirror image. In other words, you have to be able to take, if this were on a piece of paper and you could fold it on that dotted line, if you could make a fold on that dotted line, then these two should meet and overlap one another. This is so much easier to show and demonstrate in person. It's hard to do that using an iPad and just speaking to you on a video. But just try to picture that if you took the paper and you folded it along that line of reflection, then the 2 figures should meet up. In other words, if I had a line that's coming in like this and then goes out at this angle, that would not be a reflection. If I folded it over the dotted line, the 2 figures would not meet up. They would not meet up, okay? Also, if I had a figure that looked like this, okay? In order for it to be a reflection, it would have to go out at the same angle. Now, this isn't going to be perfect, but you get the idea. Okay? So it has to go out at the same angle. If instead it's like this, that is not a reflection. All right. That all being said, go ahead and pick your 2 figures that if you would fold it on the dotted line, they would overlap. Remember, there are only 2. So pick the 2 that if you folded it, they would overlap one another. So whatever angle it's going in, it's got to go out at the same angle. So go ahead and pick 2 for problem number 3.